1, 2, 3, let's switch this up.
Hey TrueeBeautyy Fam, and welcome back to another video. In today's video we'll be discussing this wig that I bought myself from sogoodhair. I paid $88 for it. It is a bob wig. It is 12 inches, and here is the packaging. So inside you get the wig, obviously. You get wig caps, an elastic band, and you also get a cute pair of lashes. Okay, so here is the construction of the wig. We get 3 combs in the front and adjustable straps in the back. There was no comb in the back. The wig comes pre-plucked. It claims that it's pre-bleached, but I did go ahead and bleach it myself anyways because you could still see some of the knots. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and bleach the knots of the wig. I'm using the, I think it's the Clear All Basic White powder lightener, and then the 50 volume developer. So I did go ahead and put 2 scoops of the bleaching powder, and then I just poured the developer so that it came to a cottage cheese consistency. I don't know why I couldn't say that word for a second. But so you want like a pretty thick consistency when bleaching the knots. And I mixed that up with a knife and put it on with the same knife that I mixed it with. And yeah, I just put it on there and I left it on for 10 minutes. Okay, so now we are back, and I'm just going to go ahead and pluck the front of my wig. Even though it did come pre-plucked, I wanted the front to be a little bit thinner to kind of mimic my hairline, because even though my hairline is thick, it's also kind of thin at the same time, if that makes any sense. So like, yeah, I don't know really how to explain it, but my own hairline isn't thin, but it's not super thick either. It's kind of in between because it is thick and it's full, but it's not like super thick, if that makes any sense. But I did forget to tell you guys that this hair is very soft fresh out of the package, and after I rinsed out the bleach and I didn't really wash it, but I did like rinse it with Shimmer Lights shampoo, I think, and the hair was even softer after it was rinsed out. And yeah, so I'm just going in and plucking the hair, and yeah. Guys, this was the first time I customized one of my wigs by myself. Usually my sister does it for me, so I bleached it myself with a little bit of her guidance. But on the plucking part, I didn't really ask her for any help or any questions for that matter. And I'm very happy with the outcome. I'm really proud of myself because I was also kind of nervous to do this, especially since my sister does it for me. And yeah, so make sure you give the video a thumbs up because I'm really proud of myself and I'm really proud of the outcome. And also for my people who aren't subscribed to my channel yet, please make sure you subscribe. We are so close to hitting 100 subscribers. So yeah, just subscribe, join the TrueeBeautyy family, all that. Period.
But it's no longer here. Letting go. No, holding on. I can't accept the past. Look back, smile and love.
Also, I hope you guys are happy with the length of the video. I figured you would want to see everything from start to finish, so how I bleached the knots, how the wig was installed and styled and all of that. So yeah, I hope the length of the video is good for you guys, and if you guys want to see more videos like this in the future, just comment down below, let me know, and I will make that happen. so now we getting into this install. Y'all are not ready. So my sister is just taking some sea breeze on a cotton ball and cleaning any excess oil, makeup, or dirt, whatever may be on my hairline. But my face was pretty clean, so yeah, I do take good care of my skin. Now she's taking the Got2b gel in the black tube and just brushing my baby hairs back with that. Okay, so I know you guys are probably gonna think I'm weird for that part, but when I took out the wig caps, it smelled like perfume. Like, it smelled OD good. Like, yeah, so that's why I smelled the wig cap like that. Don't judge me and don't come for me in the comments because it smelled mad good. Anyways, my sister is just cutting some holes for my ears, and then I think she goes in with some free spray and then cuts off the excess wig cap. But this whole thing is pretty self-explanatory, but I will come back a little bit later.
I wake up and it's empty, but it is so bad.
Okay, so now my sister is going to measure the wig to my head just to make sure everything is fitting okay, and then she's gonna go ahead and glue down the sides, middle, and yeah.
No, 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 holding on. I can't accept the past. Can look back, smile and laugh or cry. But I don't want to. For that beautiful anomaly. That's what we did create. Using words like LOVE.
Okay, so my sister is tying an elastic band around the perimeter of my head, and she saw Slayed by Jordan do this, and when I tell you this thing was laid, it was laid. Like, this was not going nowhere. And now she's just gonna cut off the lace with an eyebrow razor. And she did go back and finesse some parts because the middle of my wig had lifted just a little bit. So she did go back with some Ghost Bond and fix that. Okay guys, so this is the finished look of the wig. It looks so good. Look how melted that lace is. Like, you cannot tell me that this is not my hair, period. Like, you can't tell me. You cannot tell me anything. Like, this is my hair, literally. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!
Letting go.